We thought we understood the universe. We believed that the expansion of space was settled science. But we were wrong. The James Webb Space Telescope, in combination with the Hubble Space Telescope, has just delivered what may be the most disturbing confirmation in modern astronomy's history. The universe is not behaving the way we believed. Decades of cosmological theory are now collapsing. Measurements that once aligned are now in direct contradiction. And what's worse, there may be a force beyond the known universe itself, altering the very laws of physics. This isn't just a theoretical hiccup. It's a complete collapse in our understanding of space, time, and possibly even reality itself. It began as an ambitious mission: combine the near-infrared power of the James Webb Space Telescope with Hubble's visible light precision. The goal? To peer deeper into the early universe than ever before. But instead of finding confirmation, astronomers found contradiction. They discovered a massive galaxy, ZFG 7329, so large and so old it shouldn't even exist. According to current cosmological models, the early universe didn't have enough matter or time to form such a structure. But this anomaly wasn't alone. More massive galaxies appeared. Black holes were found far too large for their age. Then came the most devastating data point of all. The universe appears to be expanding at different speeds depending on where you look. For years, scientists used the Hubble constant to calculate the expansion rate of the universe. But now, Webb and Hubble are delivering radically incompatible results, based on direct observations of Cepheid variable stars and distant galactic formations. Nobel Prize-winning astrophysicist Adam Rees declared, "If measurement errors are ruled out, the only explanation left is that we fundamentally misunderstood the universe." This isn't just a small discrepancy. It's a gaping divide, one that threatens to topple the foundation of the Big Bang expansion model. Some call it a tension. Others now call it what it is: a crisis. As the scientific world reeled, astrophysicist Rajendra Gupta made a radical claim. The universe isn't 13.7 billion years old. It's nearly 27 billion. Gupta suggests we've misunderstood the very fabric of space. He argues that light doesn't simply stretch over vast distances. It hides information. What we've labeled as dark matter and dark energy might not exist at all. His revised model eliminates the need for these mysterious forces and instead proposes that our understanding of the vacuum itself is wrong. If true, it would mean that everything, from Einstein's general relativity to quantum field theory, needs to be rewritten. But some physicists are going even further. They propose something truly bizarre: our universe might be influenced by something outside of it. These researchers suggest that the irregular expansion patterns could be caused by gravitational forces from a neighboring universe, pulling on ours from beyond the observable boundary. This is not science fiction. It's grounded in real mathematical modeling and Webb-Hubble observations. And it might explain why the deeper we look into the cosmos, the more the laws of physics appear broken. The conclusion? We may not be alone, not just in space, but in reality itself. For years, dark energy was the placeholder for the mysterious force believed to be pushing the universe apart. It was an elegant patch to explain accelerating expansion. But now, Webb's data is tearing that concept to pieces. If the universe expands at different rates in different regions, and if galaxies are forming earlier and faster than expected, then dark energy might not exist at all. And if that's true, then 70% of the known universe was based on a miscalculation. That's not a revision. That's a cosmic identity crisis. Despite the implications, space agencies like NASA and the ESA have remained oddly quiet. There's been no formal crisis declaration, no retraction of the Lambda CDM model, only carefully worded statements about data complexity and early surprises. According to insider reports, international cosmology councils are holding closed-door meetings. A leaked memo even described this as a paradigm destabilization point, one not to be disclosed until the public risk is assessed. Why the secrecy? Because admitting that the universe no longer behaves as expected could ripple through science funding, education, philosophy, religion, and geopolitics. Some physicists believe the inconsistencies aren't about space at all, they're about time. According to these theories, time may not flow uniformly across the universe. In certain regions, time could be moving at different speeds, influenced by matter density, quantum fluctuations, or interactions with alternate dimensions. That would explain why distant galaxies appear older than they should. They could be existing under a different cosmic clock. If this is true, the concept of a universal timeline is shattered. The Big Bang wasn't a single event. It might have been a ripple in a much larger, multidimensional storm. And finally, there's one more theory, rarely discussed outside the most advanced research circles, that is now gaining traction. It's called the cosmic phase transition model. According to this idea, universes can undergo sudden shifts in physical laws, just like water changing into ice or steam. The strange data from Webb and Hubble may not be anomalies. They could be warning signs that our universe is on the brink of such a transformation. If this phase shift occurs, whether in 1,000 years or 1,000 seconds, the laws of physics could rewire in an instant. Reality as we know it could reboot. And nothing, not light, not gravity, not even time, would remain the same. For over a century, we believed we were uncovering the secrets of the cosmos. We measured expansion. We mapped the universe's birth. We wrote its laws into stone. But now, the James Webb Space Telescope is revealing a deeper truth. We weren't discovering the universe, we were only seeing what it allowed us to see. And now, those illusions are collapsing. The constants we trusted are breaking. Time may not move forward equally across all directions. And the space between galaxies? It may not be expanding into nothing, but into something far more complex, and possibly far more alive. What we thought was dark energy may be nothing. What we labeled as background radiation may be a message. And the expansion we assumed was random? It may be driven by a force we still don't dare to name. We're no longer asking how the universe began. We're asking if it's still beginning, or worse, if it's about to end. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Are we witnessing the unraveling of cosmic order, or the first signs of a transformation that has happened before and may happen again? Subscribe and turn on notifications, because if the universe is rewriting itself, we've just read the first line of a new reality.